Welcome to another episode of Fridge Roulette. You get what you get and you don't get upset. I have no idea what this is, so let's drink it, shall we? This is Bavarian Winter. Looking a little active already. Hello. So let's start off, instead of what style or where this beer is from, let's start off with some very important information. Best before the 13th of April, 2017. Today's date is June 1st, 2020. And apparently my glass isn't fully clean, so let's try. It's very active, as you can see. Just typically a sign of a old beer. I think this came from an advent calendar. It's described as an intensive hop flavor with notes of lychee and grapefruit. It's a German beer. Kamba Bavaria. Mühlweg to Truchlaching, Germany. No idea where that is. And I know a little bit of German, and I've never read any of that before. Strong beer, IPA. So probably drinking a expired IPA from several years ago. Not the best idea, but you don't get upset. Let's give her a whirl, shall we? Yeah, that smells like old hops, but not in a most unpleasant way. Still has like noble hop bite, which doesn't make sense because it has Centennial, Cascade, Chinook, and Citra. Why are the Germans using all the American hops? All right, whatever you're into. Cheers. It's like there's kind of some hop flavor there, but it's like a molasses-y shining taking over, like a pancake syrup. Yeah, it's like pancake syrup.
It's like lemon curd.
Lemon curd. Interesting note. And then just as it's dry, but it just leaves this coating of old sweet hops. Anyway. Don't recommend drinking this several years after its expiry date. I'm sure it was lovely in its prime. Tune in next time for another adventure of Fridge Roulette.